Hey friends, this is Jay Author and I welcome you on behalf of retirementtransformation.com, and today I'm going to talk about what is Canada Savings Bonds. It's a financial tip for your retirement so that you can use this important financial knowledge for your retirement planning. There's a standard disclaimer here that all this information what I'm sharing over here is for information only, and any use which you do is basically solely to your responsibility. I take no responsibility for any of the information which I'm sharing over here. It's a standard disclaimer. So Canada Savings Bonds are offered by the Government of Canada on sale between October and April every year. Now, Canada Savings Bonds are purchasable in regular and compounding interest also. So these are the two options you have. Now, if you go for either type, doesn't matter, but remember this, that Canada Savings Bonds are cashable at any time. And it comes in the denominations of $100, $300, $500, $1,000, $5,000, and $10,000. You can buy any of these denominations. But in case of the compounding interest, the minimum denomination is 300, not 100. And Canada Savings Bonds interest rate is guaranteed for 1 year. And after that, it fluctuates for 9 years with market conditions until its maturity. So, if you like that information, remember that you can get more such tips, the financial tips, and more about the retirement at our retirementtransformation.com. Even you can get the important information over here in terms of how to do your retirement plan, and you can get the help of the Wheel of Retirement life planning process over here at this website. So go ahead and do your retirement planning logically, not emotionally, with the help of the Wheel of the Retirement life planning process. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, take this a step for a better retirement life. Well, if you're looking for all the free information on retirement planning, go ahead and check it out at retirementtransformation.com/blog, and take the action now so that you can go ahead, check it out, and start using this information for your retirement planning purpose. With that, I want to say thank you very much for watching this video. Bye-bye.